Hey, and welcome to Straight to the Point video tutorials, where we get straight to the point. This is the second video in our trapdoor exercise, where we create a trapdoor in our game. Okay, let's show you what you're going to create. Let's play that and show you quickly so you get an understanding what we've created. There's the trapdoor, fall down, walk around, and the trapdoor will close after going through the trapdoor. Okay, it's easy when you know how. Now, in our first video, we looked at the code, the C# script that you will need. So if you haven't got that video, go to our website. The link is on the bottom left of the video. At the end of this video, you can download it, or you can have a look at the video that we got and duplicate it from there. But it's just as easy to download it. Okie dokie. Now, let's get into this. Let's create our trapdoor. What we're going to do is just create a game object, create an empty game object. Where are you? There you are there. Let's make sure it's in position where we want it. We want it just to the right of this first block. This here. Let's have a look around. Bring that up. Let's get it off perspective. Get it where we want it. With that approximately in the middle. Good enough for the bush. All right, let's get back into this. That there is our hinge. That's the point where our trapdoor will swing from. So in the tag, or just call that trapdoor hinge. Oh, excuse me. Now, trapdoor hinge. Dragging our platform as a child to our hinge. Bring that to 0, 0, and 0. And there is our little platform. Doesn't look like it's in the right spot, does it? No, because it's not. We want to move. Our hinge is in the right spot, as our block is a child of that, and we have our position set to all zeros. It's going to be in the middle. So what we want to do is make sure we're on our block and just put our block where we want it. Again, let's have a look from the top, make sure she's in the spot. Turn perspective off just so we can line it up. Yep, good enough for the bush. And we want perspective back on. Look at that. So she's happy there where she is. Maybe we could pick a different colour than the green's going to blend in, but never mind. Rightio, let's go back to our game object, which I'm sure we named that, but let's do it again. Trapdoor hinge, enter. Let's check the rotation. We want to rotate our trapdoor on the X scale. X rotation, up, down. Beautiful. Let's set the rotation back to 0, so reset it. Okay, now we go back to our platform, block, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to add a component, go to physics, add a mesh collider. That way now when we walk on that, we're not going to fall through it. Okay, now what we want to do is go to our trapdoor hinge, and we want to add a box collider. There's our box collider. It's going to be a trigger. Make sure it's a trigger, and we want to edit that box collider. It's going to be a bit awkward to see. Maybe I should have picked a different color. But we're going to made it really hard to see, didn't we? Anyway, where's it go? Oh my goodness. I want to edit that controller. There we go. Oops, wrong way, wrong side. Let's move around. Raise that up. You want to make sure it's high enough for the player. to activate. There we go, now we're getting there. Takes a bit of practice, but you'll see what I mean. And maybe just bring that down a little bit. I want it enough so that when it moves you don't get a jitter. There's nothing more annoying than a jitter. That should do us for now. There's our box collider. Box collider done. I think I've missed something. Let's go check one I was prepared earlier on. Oh, I have. There's our door. Let's go back to our scripts and add our script. Okay, there's our speed. That's a slow drop. Let's make it a bit faster. 50 or 5. It's going to be faster. 5 don't go at any 50. You know, let's give it a shot. Let's give it a test. Let's see if it's going to work. She hasn't run off. She's in spot. Oh, it's activated, but we didn't fall. Why didn't we fall through? Because we're still stuck on the edge of it, that's why. There you go, so now we can fall through. We can fix that because we're standing on this edge here, so when that swung around we're still standing on that. So what we'll do, we'll just edit this collider so that the door activates a lot sooner. How's that? Not out. Yeah, cool bananas. Let's give that one last shot. Jump up, jump up, jump up, and there we go, we're falling through. And because the speed's set faster, that reset, it's a lot quicker. Let's just change the reset or the speed to 1, and we'll go give it a shot now. Let's have a look, see what happens now. It should be a lot slower. Same as the first one we did. There we go, we fell off. And there's a trapdoor resetting. That's it. That's how simple it is to make a trapdoor. If you want to make this into a normal door, you change your angle. So instead of pivoting on the X, Y, you on the X, change one of the pivots. I'm not sure if it's a Y or Z, but leave that for you to find out. I have 2 box colliders, one for an in, one for an out, open, close. Easy peasy, easy when you know how. Don't forget to subscribe for us. Top right corner, click the link, subscribe. Bottom left, that's where you'll get a link to our website and any content that you may need for this video and other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.